Hello students, welcome to Noble Digital Class. We look forward to your utmost attention and dedication towards your class at your Noble platform. Using of technology in excess may be harmful for your physical and mental health. To reduce its aftermath, yoga and meditation is recommended. Students should practice these regularly. Please watch the video for 30 to 40 minutes only. Then take 5 to 10 minutes break. Close your eyes and recall the content taught by your teacher. This short break will be quite relaxing for your eyes.
Hello students, this is Prajapati. Welcome back to our virtual class. Students, our chapter number 3, two stories about flight, and it's part 1. His first flight we have completed, and now this is the second part of the same chapter, the black aeroplane. Students, this story is having a big suspense, and we'll see at the end of this chapter. And so many, things, which are unanswered into our life. So we'll see one of the examples right here. Black aeroplane itself is a title, says that there is a plane which is black. Now, whose plane it was, what happened with the black aeroplane, who was the pilot, all the answers we will be finding into the chapter itself, right? So, I am not revealing the secret which is in the chapter. So now without waiting more, let us start the chapter itself. Black aeroplane. See, the moon was coming up in the east. The moon was coming up in the east. How? Listen, moon, that is, it was the night time, right? And at that time, how the moon was coming, rising up in the east, and behind me, this is the writer who was saying, behind him, what happened? And stars were shining in the clear sky above me. So this was the scene situation in which the man was, right? That moon was shining like in the east behind him, and the stars were shining in the clear sky above me, above him, right? And there wasn't a cloud in the sky. See, so far everything was in control, under control. There wasn't a cloud in the sky. See, important line it is, right? I was happy to see alone high up above the sleeping countryside. I was happy to see alone, right? Up above the sleeping countryside. I was happy. I was happy. He was happy to be alone. He was alone into his plane high up above the sleeping countryside. Countryside, that, out of that city, that, the outer territory, right? So he was just upwards, and he was up into the sky, and the entire countryside was sleeping, right? And he was above them, high up into the air, into his plane, and he was happy. Okay. See, I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. See, this is how he was, that he was flying his old Dakota aeroplane. This is the name of his old aeroplane, old Dakota aeroplane. And from where he was over France back to England. So now, right now, he was over the France and going back to England. And I was dreaming. See, I was dreaming of my holiday and looking forward to being with my family. So, when he was flying into his plane going to England, then he was dreaming, he was thinking, he was imagining that about his holiday, that he would be at his home, looking forward to being with my family. So he was looking forward to be with his family. So he was thinking and imagining that he would be reaching at his home, he would be meeting with his family members, and he would be having, fun with his family members. So all the imaginations were coming into his mind. Okay, so then what happened? I looked at my watch, 1:30 in the morning, and when he looked at his watch, the time was 1:30 in the morning, right? So that was the time. So now, so far, everything was under control, but not, the same happened with him. Something different which is coming now. Let's see. I should call Paris control soon. See, I should call Paris control soon. I thought. Now he thought that he should call whom? Paris control. That control room, he was just willing to contact the control room there. That I looked down past the nose at the aeroplane. I looked down. As I looked down, he saw beneath, past the nose of the aeroplane. You know, nose of the aeroplane. Like this is the plane. You can see this is the plane. Okay, so you can see this toe, that the top part, like this is the toe, we can say, or the top part of the airplane. So we can see this is the nose. So when like they used to sit in this cockpit here, and where he was sitting, and just through the nose, like towards the nose of that aeroplane, he was looking beneath, looking down, right, past the nose of the aeroplane, that is okay. And then he saw the lights of a big city in front of me. That was the terminal. Yeah, on the airport, there used to be lights, right, on the ground, so that the pilots consider, and they think, and they justify, and they they confirm that this is the landing area, and this is the the path particular on which they have to land. Okay, the track. So I saw lights of a big city in front of me, and I switched on the radio and said, Paris control, Dakota DS 088 here. Now, this was how he was trying to communicate with the control room, and he was giving the command and confirming his situation from the controls room, that Paris control, old Dakota DS 088 here. Can you hear me? I am on my way to England. Over. Now, so he said that he was going to England. He was on his way to England, and Dakota DS 088, his plane's address or the plane's identity, that he revealed to the control room, and he was confirming that so far everything was under control, and now he was going to land over there. Okay, so on the radio now, he was communicating with the control room person. Okay, then what happened? See, the voice from the radio answered me immediately. And now the voice from the radio, as he gave the command to the control room, again same, he received one another command from the control room, from the radio, through the radio, and answered immediately. That radio, or the reply, or the command, just came towards him immediately, at once. DS 088, I can hear you. This is the command he received. You ought to turn. Listen, you ought to turn. Ought to is a model in grammar. I think you know that. This is the great necessity. Like, okay, that means in the comparison, like the similar model, if you use here, could be must, right? And another model there could be should. Okay, so should gives only the suggestion, right? And must, little bit you have to emphasize, right? You have to stress must, obligation, right? Ought to is having the more sense, right? This is having the more power. That ought to, that means compulsion, right? Compulsorily you have to turn, that is ought to. Okay, so if I say you that you ought to obey your parents, that is your compulsion, your moral duty, your obligation. So it has more sense, it has more power, right? This is the sense of model. So he received the command that he ought to turn 12 degrees west now. He ought to turn where? 12 degrees west now, DS 088 over. Okay, so this is the command he received to turn where? Turn 12 degrees west now. Okay, I checked the map. Listen, I checked the map. He checked the map and the compass. Switched over to my second and last fuel tank. Switched over to my second and last fuel tank. There could be there are two fuel tanks, right? So one fuel tank was empty now, and now he switched over to the another second fuel tank, that was the last, and turned the Dakota 12 degrees west towards England. As he received the command to turn to 12 degrees west, he did so, and he turned his old Dakota 12 degrees west towards the England. Okay, I will be in time. Listen, again he was thinking, I will be in time for breakfast. I thought a good big English breakfast. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. Okay, so far he was comfortably flying into the air and he was again imagining to have a big English breakfast at his home. He would be going and he would be having. So these things and these imaginations were coming into his mind while he was flying comfortably into his plane, right? And so far everything was going well and it was an easy flight, right? So, students, I hope you understood up to this line. But now, later, the twist is coming into the story. But not now. We will continue this twist into our next class. Until then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay healthy.